Hello, what can I get for you today? Hi, I'd like to order a bakso and an iced tea, please. Sure, for here or to go? To go, please. And could you make the coffee with less sugar? No problem. That will be 45 cash or Chris? Cash, thank you.
Good day. How can I help you today? Hello, I'm looking for something for my headache. We have these tablets. They are very effective. How often should I take them? Take one tablet 3 times a day after meals. Are there any side effects? It might make you feel sleepy, so don't try. I'll take it and a box of vitamins, please. Sure, that will be 25,000 in total. Here is the money. Thank you. You are welcome. Get well soon.